What's up? DJ Automotive back again with another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show y'all how to delete OnStar from your vehicle without losing your Bluetooth or radio. You will lose your navigation, GPS, and compass, as well as OnStar services. Duh. We'll be dealing with the vehicle's VCIM. Take extra care when dealing with it, so this is I'm warning you now. Let's go. The bag got heavy now. A quick glance at the tools that you're gonna need. You don't need a drill. I'm using a drill because it's faster and easier. Use it only on the trim pieces. Torx bits, T15 for the plastic trim and T10 for the module. Small ratchet or a nut driver. 10mm socket with extension and a flathead screwdriver. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, just check the vehicle for normal functions. Start it up. Everything good. It looks like everything is functioning as it should. We're gonna start by disconnecting the battery, negative battery terminal, 10mm socket with an extension. We go ahead and remove the glove box, or at least just unhook it. So what we're gonna do is just open it, clear it out, make sure it's empty. And then right here, they have this little tab, this little cable. It pushes forward, right? Push the door in a little bit and then just pull it out. So then you have a tab right here and a tab right here. Push in on the plastic like that, and then come to this side, do the same thing. Push in, and then just let the glove box fall down. You see that we have this plastic panel here. We're gonna remove these 6 screws, one right here on the side. They're Torx bit screws, T15, but yeah. Right, so now we can kind of jiggle this plastic piece out. All right, so now we can see what we're dealing with. So this box looking thing here with the harnesses plugged in, this is the VCIM module, basically the transmitter. So move a little closer. They got 2 black retaining clips right there and right here. We're gonna push these in and then pull the VCIM downward. There you go. Now we need to disconnect these cables. With these, they have little clips at the very bottom, little pins. You gotta push them in, squeeze, and pull. All right, so there it is. So what we're gonna need to do now, open it up. We're gonna turn it over. We're gonna use a Torx bit, T10, 4 screws. So what we need to remove is actually on the bottom layer here. Underneath the top main board, let's go ahead and lift the main board off. Gently just pull it up, place that to the side. I'm gonna remove this board right here. 3 more T10 screws. Now we can replace our main board. We can go ahead and place the cover back over top of it. Tighten our screws back up. All right, so now that we've got our chip taken out of our module, plug in the connectors, the 2 white connectors that we took out back in. I didn't have a black connector, so I don't have anything to put back in there. Don't worry too much about the maroon and brown because we took the board out, so there's nothing to plug in. All right. Make sure our connections are in, and you can just tuck these wires somewhere up here. Zip time if you want or whatever. And now time to put this plastic piece back. So we're gonna take the glove box latch right there, feed it through the little hole right here, line it back up. Take our screws from earlier, pop them in place. And remember not to go too tight with these little small screws like this. First of all, might want to pull this out a little bit, push in on both sides, then it goes in. Take our little cable here. Go ahead, put the battery back on. we got Bluetooth.
It's defeating to tell you what sites I found my info on.
Right. Oh yeah. Alright, so if we want to go ahead and test it out.
Hello, and welcome to OnStar. Your OnStar account is currently inactive. Please push the blue OnStar button again to activate your account. Learn more about OnStar services or speak to an OnStar advisor. Connecting to OnStar. I'm sorry, I couldn't connect to OnStar. Please try again. Your OnStar call has ended. Goodbye. The OnStar system is not active. To activate your service, push the blue OnStar button now or call 1-888. OnStar ready. Call using OnStar hands-free calling. I'm sorry, hands-free calling is not available at this time.
And there you have it. That's how you delete OnStar from your 2015 through 2020 Chevrolet Tahoe and GMC Yukon. I do recommend getting your own standalone tracker for your vehicle that you and only you control. So that's just something to think about. Anyway, man, we about to get out of here. So for DJ Automotive, till next time, we out. Times fell, but always come harder. I'm not the type to quit, been through all type of only with the best, kept my same lawyer. I'm in the driver's seat, don't need no licenses. Coming through like I'm Juan Pablo Montoya. Taking my victories, all my ops history. Can't get no bread if you can't prove you loyal. Bag done got heavy like naval destroyers. That's heavy, the bag getting heavy now. Draped in design, exclusive I'm buying. As soon as it's dropping, I buy.